Cold starting international Transtar 4300 and Dodge 800. It's an old one from North Dakota. Interesting. I came all the way from North Dakota down to here in Nebraska. And starting Honda Goldwing. I'm gonna take the tractor out. See if this will start first.
Where's the choke?
Guess that's a no-go.
Battery stick.
See if this will start, of course. Almost didn't. No one's around here. Got people out on the farm here. Looks like I did it. Oh, no. Almost crashed to the door there. That's taken care of. Ooh, under that's blinking. And as you guys know, I'm going to Ohio and there's going to be lots of good footage to be discovered. So, you keep up. Okay, I'm inside now. We're going to try to start this thing. Big blue truck.
No window so I can get this fucking door open.
How about that, guys? See if these blinkers work. The lights do. Sweet. Dinky old diesel. Oh well. Full of mothballs and decon. Big old steering wheel. Fun ride. Okay, we're gonna try this one. It's a little bit dark, but yeah. See if we got power. Oh yeah. Must be. Try some starting fluid. Okay, I'm gonna try cranking now.
Look, don't do anything.
I didn't.
Wait.
Turned off the key.
Step on the throttle a little bit. Try it now. Step on the throttle. Don't floor it just a little bit. Just.
Is that good?
Okay. Get ready.